Good morning students. Today we will do our next congruence rule, that is SAS. So what is SAS? S stands for side, E stands for angle and S stands for again side. So side, angle, side congruence rule. Alright. So what's the definition? If under a correspondence two sides and the angle included between them, two sides and the angle included मतलब उन sides दे which angle जड़ा बने angles included between them of a triangle are equal to two corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Suppose that there are two triangles. The name of first triangle is A, B, C, and the second one is P, Q, R. So if side AB equal to side PQ, side AC is equal to side PR, and the angle between this AB and AC is this one angle A. Alright, and in the another triangle PQR, angle between this side PQ and PR is this angle P. So what? These two sides are equal corresponding to the other triangle, and the corresponding angle A is equal to angle P is also equal. Then what? By SAS congruence rule, triangle BAC, or you can write ABC, congruent to triangle PQR. Okay students, so right here AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, and angle P is equal to angle P. So the condition is here that this angle is included between these two equal sides. Clear students? The condition is that angle होगा इन sides के interior चाहिए. The angles in between in these two sides. Clear? Then what? By side, angle, side, these both triangles are congruent. So right here, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. So this is all about your SAS congruence rule. Now let's start the example. Next student, this is example number 4. So the question is, there are two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. So dimensions are given, two sides and one angle. So we have to examine that whether the two triangles are congruent or not by using which rule? SAS congruence rule. If the triangles are congruent, write them in the symbolic form under the correspondence rule. So first we consider in triangle ABC, dimension of AB is 7, BC is 5 and angle B is 15. So first we draw triangle ABC and the name of second triangle is DEF. Alright. Side AB measures 7 cm. This is AB. 7 cm. BC is of 5 cm. This is BC of 5 cm. And angle B is 50. This is angle B. 50 degree. Next, in triangle DEF, side DE measure 5 cm. This one. EF, this one is 7 cm. And angle E is measure 50 degree. Alright. Now observe these two triangles. In this triangle, side AB is equal to which side in this triangle? Side AB is equal to this one. Again 7. Right here AB is equal to EF. 7 cm. Alright. AB is equal to EF. Next, side BC. Side BC is of measure 5 cm is equal to which one? Side ED, or you can write DE. It is of 5 cm. Alright, BC is equal to ED. And the angle is this one, B is of measure 50 degree and angle E is of measure 50 degree again. So right here angle B equal to angle E, 50 degree each. Clear? Now you can see here, this angle B is included between these two given sides. Yes or no? Check here. Angle B is included between side AB and BC. Yes. And side AB and BC are also, measure of side AB and BC are given also. This is of length 7 centimeter and this is of 5 centimeter, and this angle B is included between these two given sides. On the other triangle, this angle E included between side DE and EF again, and these two sides are also given. Side DE is of measure 5 centimeter and EF is of measure 7 centimeter. So this angle B included between AB and BC, and angle E included between side DE and EF. Therefore, these triangles are congruent or not? Yes. By which rule? SAS, side angle side. By side angle side, triangle are congruent. Now we have to write in symbolic form. So first, B corresponds to E. This B corresponds to E because angle B is at 50 degree and angle E is at 50 degree again. So B corresponds to E. A corresponds to which one? A corresponds to which vertex? D or F? You see here, from B to A, side of measure 7 centimeter. So in this triangle, which side is of 7 centimeter? Side EF or side ED? Side EF. See here, this is side BA of the measure is 7 centimeter, and in the other triangle, side EF is of measure 7 centimeter. So B corresponds to E and E corresponds to F. So right here F. Clear, students? And the last one is C. C corresponds to which one? D. That is clear. So now write the corresponds to congruent rule. So first we will write here A, triangle A, and on the other side write here F. First write here A, and on the other side write here F. Next write here B, other side write here E. Next write C, and on the other side write G. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED. So this is the congruence of triangle in the symbolic form. So this is your A part. Now let's see the B part. In the B part again, first draw two triangles. A, B, C, D, E, F. Measure of side AB is 4.5. This one 4.5. AC is 4 centimeter. This one. Angle A is 60. Angle A is 60 degree. On the other triangle DEF, measure of D is 4 centimeter. This one. FT is this one. 4.5 centimeter, and angle D measure 55 degree. 55 degree. So first write AB is equal to side DF. AB is equal to side DF, 4.5 centimeter each. Side AC is equal to side DE. AC is equal to side DE, 4 centimeter. But the third one, the angle 60 degree included between this AB and AC is not equal to angle D included between this DE and DF, because the measure of angles A and D are not equal. Measure of angle A is here 60 degree and the measure of angle D is another angle is 55 degrees. So you write here angle A is not equal to angle D. So that's why these two triangles are not congruent. Clear, students? So right here triangle is not congruent. The given triangles are not congruent. So this is your B part. Now let us see the C part. In the C part, again draw first two triangles. A, B, C, D, E, F. Measure of side BC is 6 centimeter. This is BC, 6 centimeter. Measure of AC is 4 centimeter. This is BC, 4 centimeter. And measure of angle B is 35. This is angle B, 35 degree. On the other side, the measure of side DF is 4 cm. This is DF. Measure of EF. This is EF, 6 cm, and angle E measure 35 degree. Clear, students? Now first you can write here side AC is equal to which one? Side DF. AC is equal to DF, 4 cm. Next, side BC is equal to side EF. Is of measure 6 cm. And third one, angle B is of measure 35 degree and angle E is of measure 35 degree. They are again equal. But you can see here clearly this angle 35 degree is not included between these two given sides. The angle given is here angle B, but angle B is not included between side CB and CA. And on the other side, again angle E is not included between side FE and FD. That's why in this C part, SAS rule does not satisfy. ठीक है? SAS rule इतने apply नहीं होंगे. Clear, students? Therefore, the two triangles are not congruent. Reason की लिखोगे? Because the angle B is not included between these two given sides and angle E is not included between these two given sides. अगर angle suppose करो इतनी 35 degree होगा और इतनी 35 degree होगा, then the triangles are congruent. But in this case, this angle 35 degree is not included between these two sides. Clear, students? So this is your example number 4.